Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This guide explains how to change the search bar on your iPhone step by step. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later before customizing the search bar. Back up your device with iCloud or Finder before changing major settings. Decide if you want the change to affect Safari, Spotlight, or a home screen widget. Know which browser or third-party app will replace or modify the default search behavior. Have your Apple ID and passcode ready for any permission prompts that may appear. To change the search bar for Safari, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll to Safari, then tap Search Engine to choose a provider. Select Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, or Yahoo from the list of engines. After selecting, Safari will use that engine for the address bar and new tab searches. If you use a third-party browser, open its app settings and change the default search provider inside that app. To restore defaults, tap Safari Settings and choose your preferred search engine again. To change the system search bar, manage Spotlight and widget options inside Settings and Home Screen. Enable or disable Spotlight suggestions in Settings, then tap Siri and search to manage features. Adjust which apps appear in results by toggling their search permissions individually. Add a search widget by long pressing the home screen and selecting the search widget option. Drag the widget where you prefer for quicker access to searches. Reset search behaviors by disabling a widget or clearing Safari history and website data when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.